Do you want to learn English in a natural way, step by step? Today, you will discover how English can live in your home, in your kitchen, in your room, and in your daily actions. This lesson is simple, clear, and powerful. Stay with me, read aloud, and let's grow your English together. Today is a new day. You open your eyes, you see the morning light, you feel fresh, you feel ready. You say, "Today I will learn English in my home." You smile, you begin. You walk into the kitchen. You look at the table. You see food. You say the names in English: rice, bread, eggs, tea. You make sentences. I eat bread in the morning. I cook rice for lunch. I boil eggs for breakfast. I drink tea in the evening. You repeat them aloud. You enjoy the sound. You feel stronger. You add more actions. Wash, cut, cook, eat. You make sentences. I wash the rice. I cut the bread. I cook the eggs. I eat the food. You act the sentences in the kitchen. You learn by doing. Now you move to the room. You take a broom. You sweep the floor. You say, "I sweep the floor." You take a cloth. You clean the table. You say, "I clean the table." You take water. You wash the dishes. You say, "I wash the dishes." You make more sentences. The floor is clean. The table is dirty. The dishes are wet. The room is tidy. You repeat them. You smile. You feel proud. You sit in the living room. You look around. You see the sofa. You see the window. You see the door. You see the TV. You make sentences. The sofa is soft. The window is open. The door is closed. The TV is big. You read them aloud. You repeat them slowly. You repeat them faster. This is practice. This is progress. You imagine a short talk. A friend comes. The friend says, "What are you doing?" You say, "I am cleaning my room." The friend says, "Is the room tidy?" You say, "Yes, the room is tidy." You act the dialogue. You enjoy the words. You feel confident. You sit again. You take your notebook. You write about your home. My home is small. My kitchen is clean. My living room is big. My bedroom is quiet. You add more details. I cook rice in the kitchen. I watch TV in the living room. I sleep in the bedroom. I study English at my desk. Your sentences are longer now. Your English is stronger now. You listen to short sentences. You hear, "I wash the dishes." "I clean the table." "I sweep the floor." You repeat the sentences. You act the sentences. You enjoy the practice. At night, you think about your day. You remember the words. You remember the sentences. You remember the actions. You say, "Today I learned English in my home." You say, "Tomorrow I will learn more." You close your eyes. You rest your body. You sleep with peace. Your journey continues, day after day, step by step. You are learning from life. You are learning from home. You are becoming better. One day, you will speak clearly. One day, you will understand easily. That day will come. That day will be yours. Keep going. Keep trying. Keep believing. Your English journey is alive. Your English journey is strong. You leave your home. You walk slowly. You see the sun. You feel the air. You feel ready. You say, "Today I will learn English in the market." You smile. You begin. You walk on the street. You see people. You see shops. You see cars. You say the words in English. People, shops, cars, street. You make sentences. The people are walking. The shops are open. The cars are fast. The street is busy. You repeat them aloud. You feel confident. You arrive at the market. You look around. You see fruits. You see vegetables. You see meat. You see fish. You make sentences. The fruits are fresh. The vegetables are green. The meat is red. The fish is big. You read them aloud. You enjoy the words. You feel stronger. You imagine a short talk with a seller. The seller says, "Good morning." You say, "Good morning. How much is the rice?" The seller says, "The rice is 500 francs. You say, "Thank you. I will buy it." You act the dialogue. You repeat the sentences. You enjoy the practice. You write about your shopping. I go to the market. I buy rice and bread. I buy fish and vegetables. I pay money. I go home. You add more details. I go to the market in the morning. I buy rice, bread, fish, and vegetables. I pay 500 francs for rice. I paid 200 francs for bread. I go home with food. Your sentences are longer now. Your English is stronger now. You meet a friend in the market. You try to speak English. You say, "Hello, my friend." You ask, "What are you buying?" Your friend answers, "I am buying fruit." You ask, "Which fruit?" Your friend answers, "I am buying bananas." You listen, you understand, you feel happy. This is communication. This is progress. You listen to short sentences. You hear, "I want to buy rice." How much is the bread? The fish is fresh. You repeat the sentences. You act the sentences. You enjoy the practice. You go back home. You sit at your desk. You write about your day. I went to the market. I saw many people. I bought rice and bread. I spoke English with a seller. I spoke English with a friend. You read your writing aloud. You listen to your voice. You feel proud. At night, you think about your day. You remember the words. You remember the sentences. You remember the actions. You say, "Today I learned English in the market." You say, "Tomorrow I will learn more." You close your eyes. You rest your body. You sleep with peace. Your journey continues, day after day, step by step. You are learning from life. You are learning from the market. You are becoming better. One day, you will speak clearly. One day, you will understand easily. That day will come. That day will be yours. Keep going. Keep trying. Keep believing. Your English journey is alive. Your English journey is strong. Great work! You have completed Day 4 in English Life Story. Today, you practiced English in the market, with sellers, with friends, and in real life. You learned new words, made sentences, and built confidence. Remember, English is everywhere. Use it in your home, in your street, in your market. Small steps every day create big progress. Keep repeating, keep listening, and keep believing in yourself. Your English journey is alive. And tomorrow we continue with Day 5.